Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today we are going to program duplicate smart key of Prius 1.5. This is the original remote. This only can start and unlock the remote, unlock the car, and this one is we are going to program with this car. After programming, car start with programmed smart key. This is the slot. Insert smart key in slot 5 times. Leave it inside 5 times. Open and close the door 6 times. Remove the key from the slot. The security light will be stable. Security light will be stable, and insert the programmed smart key into the slot. Leave the smart key inside the vehicle and wait for 60 seconds until the security light has gone. After security light gone, say the ignition is on. That means the chip is programmed with this car. See the ready symbol is on the screen. Now we are going to program a remote transmitter. After programming, see remote is not working yet, so follow the procedure. For this, open the driver's side door, put smart key in the slot, ignition on. Now press lock unlock button. The shooter will be on. Press lock and unlock button together and press lock button. Remote is programmed. Now you can see both remote are working with this car. Lock, unlock, lock and unlock, lock, unlock. Now you can check both smart key. We insert the fresh programmed smart key into the slot, and the car is ready. It means car is start because this is hybrid car, no sound. Lock, unlock, unlock, lock. Please like, share and comment below about this video. Keep sharing for those who are interested to learn programming. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.